In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a waiting list on Shopify. This method creates a simple waitlist using Shopify's built-in password page. It is a clean option when your store is not ready to launch yet, but you still want to collect emails from interested shoppers and build momentum. First, open your Shopify admin. In the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then go to Preferences. This is where Shopify keeps key store settings, including the option to lock your storefront behind a password. Next, scroll down until you see the section for password protection and enable it. Once password protection is turned on, visitors who try to access your store will be taken to a password page instead of browsing products. This is what turns your storefront into a temporary coming soon style page, which is perfect for a waiting list. After you enable password protection, select the option to customize the password page. This will open the theme editor, where you can control what customers see when they land on that locked page. Inside the theme editor, look for an email sign-up or newsletter block. Make sure it is visible. This block is what lets visitors enter their email address, which effectively becomes your waiting list. If you do not see it right away, check the sections on the password page and confirm the sign-up block is enabled and not hidden. The goal is to make the email field easy to find without requiring extra clicks. Now update the heading text on the page. Change it from the default wording to something more enticing, such as join the VIP list for 20% off at launch. Keep the message short and benefit-focused. A clear perk tends to improve signups, especially when people are landing on a locked store and need a reason to share their email. Once you are happy with how the password page looks, save your changes in the theme editor. Your password page will now act as a waiting list sign-up page, collecting emails while your store remains protected until launch. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.